Hi guys, it's a beautiful day. So the car is not here right now because my husband went to work. That is the garage. So I wanna do a house tour because this house is special to me because this is my first home here in United States with my husband. I'm actually alone right now. Wait. Sara natin ang pinto, guys. Lock natin. So, I cleaned. I tried my best. So, recording this to keep it in my memory box. So, this is the garage door. We actually need to clean, to sort things, what to bring with us, and what to throw away. So, let's lock it, guys. So, mukha lang siyang malinis, guys, but araw-araw ako nagluluto. Kaya lagi siyang messy. But it's okay. I love cooking for my husband. Hindi ko nabuksan ng ref, guys, kasi magulo siya. Yan. Konti lang naman, guys. So, I love this house simply because I live here with my husband. So, ako, guys, tinupi ko yung mga plastic sa Walmart at Seafood City. So guys, yung asawa ko dito siya gumagamit ng toilet. I like this, guys. Yan, hindi ako nakaayos ngayon, so hindi na ako magpakita sa reflection. May door dito ko nilagay yung mga panglinis, liligpitin ko pa yan. Hirap isara. Ito ang backyard. Favorite spot of my husband. Yan, lagi siyang umuupo dyan. Ako naman, gumawa ako ng sampayan. Okay guys, let's go upstairs. We have this cross. My husband loves cross because he loves God. May paglobo dyan, guys. Hindi ko alam kung sa amin yan. Ay, naiwanan ko palang bukas. So, may toilet and bath dito. Sabi ko, dito na siya maligo. Kasi, I'm cleaning the master's bathroom. And then, may room dito, guys. Before, it was the room of his daughter. And then, when my sister came here in United States, she stayed here. Ginawa ko siyang office room. Niligpit ko na, guys. May mirror dyan. May closet. Hindi ko nabuksan. Medyo weird lang na nilagyan nila ng door dito. Tapos ganyan yung entrance. Feeling ko parang mali yung pagka-design nitong door na to. Tong side na to, ginawa ng husband ko, dito siya nag-exercise. Ito naman, nang dumating ako, since vacant ito, ginawa ko siyang lagayan ng mga damit. So guys, ayan, nagtupi ako para sa inyo. Okay, sara natin. So, dito kami natutulog. Yung lighting dito, guys, hindi ganun ka-intense. Gusto ko sanang tanggalin tong blanket na to, kaya lang parang nakapako siya. So, this is my side, my husband's side. And guys, and ito ang aming banyo. Pero dahil nga nililinis ko siya, guys, hindi ko na siya pinapa-CR dyan. Takpan natin ang aking mukha dahil hindi ako nakaayos today. So, and guys, ilang beses ko nang brinash yan. Ito ang aming walk-in closet. Yung mga ibang gamit, guys, nalipat na namin sa aming lilipatan. Very simple. We don't have a lot of things, but it's okay. Guys, tingnan nyo to. Nagpapabili ako sa kanya ng mga ganito. Meron pala siyang nakatago dito sa kanyang garage. Guys, look what I found. I found baby Michael. Eto guys, may mga ganito rin siya. Hindi ko alam kung magagamit pa to kasi gusto ko nang ipatapon or ipa-donate sa kanya, or di ko alam kung magagamit pa to ng kapatid ko because we're going to move. So, ayoko na sana dalhin yung mga makakasikip pa sa bahay. So many VHS tapes, guys. I don't know if we will bring it with us or what, because it will take a lot of space.